Hi guys! In this video, you will learn the power of formulas and functions on Excel. Well, a formula is how you make calculations in Excel, and they always start with an equal sign where you want the result. To see those formulas, just click the Formulas tab at the upper center of your Microsoft Excel. Here you can see now all the formulas and functions on Microsoft Excel. To insert functions on Microsoft Excel, just click the Insert function at the upper left corner, and you can see now all the functions in Microsoft Excel. You can choose what functions or formulas you want to use on your Microsoft Excel. And all of those formulas will start with an equal sign where you want the result. As you can see at the C7 cell. There are many formulas in Microsoft Excel. Here are the some formulas and function on Microsoft Excel, like sum or adds up a range of numbers. There are also average, calculates the average of a range of numbers. Also, when it comes to function, there are max and min, which is find the maximum or minimum value in a range. You can also use the if or if function, where you can allow to create conditional statements and many others. So that's the power of formulas and function on Excel. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.